Well, good morning. It's 10 o'clock a.m. It's about 32 degrees out now. Warm enough for me to venture out. I need to go to town, pick up some propane in case the electric goes out. So at least I have heat. And I have some power banks. I'll charge all them up. So I need to go by the eyeglass place and see if they can get me my glasses for reading. And I need to pick up a prescription while I'm out. So that's pretty much it. I'll check back in later. Well, managed to get a prescription filled. I have another one that I don't really need. It won't be ready to process till the 31st. So I'll just have to wait on that one. And I need to go ahead and head to Walmart. They have an eye care center there. I want to see about getting some new reading glasses. So I'm going to go there now. We'll check in later. Made it here to Lowe's. Go in here and see if their shelves are bare. These people here, they'd run you over for a little bit. Well, let me go in here and see if I can get some propane. Well, it's almost 4 o'clock. I'm done with my last stop. Picked up a few things. So I shouldn't have to leave the house for 4 or 5 days now. So I got everything I needed. It's amazing how the people are clearing the shelves. So I'm gonna head to the house now. Well, I made it back home. Got everything I needed. I wanted to pick up some extra propane, but apparently everybody had the same idea, because I didn't feel like buying a new tank. I just was going to buy some of them 1 pound tanks. So it's all right. I don't think we're going to lose our power, but if we do, I have other ways of heating the house. So that's all I have. I'm going to go ahead and take all this stuff in the house. It's just a few extra supplies. So that's all I have. If you would, hit like and subscribe.